gotta follow him. Let's go check that out.
Yeah, okay. I'm gonna take a quick look around and see if I see my buddy. I'll take that with me.
We'll get a closer look at that baby. Yes, sir. Happy Fine Hot Rod Shop. I wonder if it's a Cummins. Hartford Hot Rod. Oh, look at that steering, man. I love it. That is sweet.
It's different. Gotta be different. How you doing?
Really
What,
good.
You got a video going?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it up on YouTube.
Oh, awesome! I wish I got to know the link so I can get to it.
Okay, what's your name?
Steve Hart.
Steve Hart. Did you build this yourself, Steve?
Sir, I did.
Oh, this is awesome. Can you tell us a little bit about it? What kind of power you got in this thing?
Cummins, a little 4-cylinder
A
Cummins.
4-cylinder Cummins. Look at this. He's got his little business cards. Oh my gosh. Now, do you build these things? A hot rod shop. Hell yeah, he does.
Watch behind you.
Whoop. This is just a sample, I guess, of what he does here. Wow.
Promotional
Look at the
deal.
door handles. Oh, and they're so unique. Yeah.
This is all 32 Ford guts in here.
And it works slicker than heck.
Hi there.
Hey, you guys.
I like it.
All right, that's what I want to
That's
hear.
cool.
It's a Cummins.
Yep. There you go. It's a Cummins and a going.
We got the ragtag Volkswagen group here too.
Where you getting
Yeah, everybody's coming over. Look at the steering wheel. Valve handle.
Oh, I had it.
Oh.
Actually, trained at a guy's school.
I like it. This is cool.
This is the first you've seen this before.
We're out last.
Had it here for
Oh, look at the flare on those. You know, if you're going to make a bracket, you might as well make it fancy, huh? Look at that. Purrs like a kitten too, didn't it?
Yeah, I think it is.
There's actually a Hot Wheels customizer that can make you.
Man, we scored the jackpot. I ain't gonna have anything to show you the rest of the summer, guys. We'll figure out something.
Well, you have to get
Look at those brakes. Man.
They'll make it just like it. They'll probably put it out.
I hope he doesn't have to pay by the pound for his license plates. That is so sweet. I love that steering. Look at those steering links.